Hey guys, it's me again. Please excuse my dehydrator noise. I just wanted to show you, I got this perfect amount of juice here out of this a few heads of romaine lettuce, lemons, oranges, zucchinis. Isn't it amazing how stuff just works out sometimes, just the whole thing. Actually, I do have another little bit coming here. This right here in this nice pickle jar is the amount of juice, I just want to show you, that I got from rejuicing my pulp right after I ran it through the first time. I have a Cuisinart. I don't think it's a very high-end blender, but I'm not very sure. Could be probably better quality, so that's part of it. But to get this much juice out of pulp, yeah, maybe worth it. That's all. I just want to show you guys that you can, if you didn't already know, run it through again, get a little shot. I mean, shoot, at a juice bar. So yeah, that's all I got for now, guys. Take care. Don't forget to eat your fruit. Bye. Oops.